Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be an unbagging of a new subscription that I just started receiving. It is the Bolzano handbag subscription. And who doesn't love handbags? But as most of you guys know, I get a lot of beauty related subscriptions like Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, so I figured this would be the perfect opportunity to kind of do something a little bit different. And honestly, up until like a month and a half ago, I had no clue what this subscription was, and it's actually really cool, really unique, so I'm going to get into all of that. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys like to find out what's in my Bolzano bag, then just keep watching. Okay, so before I get into the unbagging, I just quickly wanted to give you guys a little bit of detail about this subscription. Now, when I was on Bolzano's website, they actually sell handbags, but they also offer a couple different subscriptions, and depending if you want to do it monthly, quarterly, or yearly. And the one that I'm about to show you guys is their handbag and accessories, subscription. So it includes one handbag and then 2 to 3 accessories each month. It runs you $33.95, which honestly, and you guys will see, I think is a great value, because let's be honest, most decent handbags aren't even under $50. They're like $50, $100, $150 or more. So you're getting a handbag and accessories for $33.95. And then on top of that, you guys, it's customizable, so not everybody is getting the same handbag each month. What you do is you take a questionnaire quiz, and I mean, it took me a couple minutes to do, but it basically just goes through all different types of handbags, all different types of styles, colors, etc. So you are personalizing your own subscription each month, which is nice because, you know, there's certain bags that I wouldn't want to receive. So that's what's great about this, that it's customizable and you're getting something that you would want to get. So that's what's really unique about this subscription. And then getting back to the other types of subscriptions, I believe they have just a jewelry subscription, and then they have like a cosmetics add-on. I don't have that this month, but if you guys go to the website, you can see all the different subscriptions. And also, for anybody that does sign up for the first time, I do actually have a code for you guys. I will have it listed down below. You'll get a free gift for $45, I believe, but again, I'll have all the information listed down below as well if you're interested in signing up for the subscription. Obviously, as you guys saw earlier, this is what the bag comes in, and honestly, this is nice because you can use this as like a duster bag to kind of store any other purses. Not this one, like any of your other purses. If you don't want them getting dirty for storage purposes, that's what's nice about these little dusters. So it's super cute, and then it has a little bow tie on top, which is nice. So let's open this up and see what is inside the bag. Okay, so the accessories came tied to the purse, but I'm just gonna quickly get into the accessories first, and then I will get into the bag. So it comes in this little separate pouch, which is nice. I've mentioned this like in a couple other videos, but these pouches are great for storing your jewelry, because I've had hot messes before with jewelry. So when I get these pouches, I like to store any kind of jewelry in them, especially for traveling purposes, so you don't have like tangly messes when you're traveling. These pouches come in handy. So I do like that they include the jewelry in that, and they don't just stuff it in the purse, if you will. So this is what the jewelry looks like. It's super cute, and I know I put post earrings, so the quiz is definitely accurate. I mean, I wear post earrings all the time. I really don't wear dangly earrings. Now, I don't wear silver as often as I would like, but I still would wear this. And actually, looking at the back, I thought this was like, you know, more of like a smaller necklace, but actually it looks like this is like a big dangly necklace. So let's actually take the tape off and show you guys the necklace. I actually didn't know it was that long. Again, just looking at it the way it was packaged, I thought it was going to be like a shorter necklace, like a collar necklace, if you will, but this is actually like a nice dangly necklace. So this would be nice pretty much with like sweaters, blouses, etc. So that's what that looks like. It's super cute, and then of course it's got the matching earrings to go along with it, so you can wear it as a set. Now let's get into the handbag. So this is what the handbag looks like, and I honestly don't even think I have a handbag that's shaped this way, but you guys, like, I love it. Like, I put it on like right before I was going to film it. It's just so comfortable. It's the perfect amount of space for me not to feel like it's too tight, especially like if I was wearing like a winter coat, popping it on. Some purses, it can feel really constricted and tight. This is like the perfect size. I don't know exactly what you would call this style. Like, I mean, I know I put like totes and stuff like that, but I love the shape of it, and again, I love the way it fits around my arm. So in terms of the color, it's black, and then it's got the tan detail, as you guys can see, and then the tan straps as well. I just haven't taken the plastic off this. And then it's got this nice little Bolzano or B keychain or key tag, if you will, right there. I really like that. I think it just really makes the bag pop. And I believe, yeah, it looks like it's more of like a gold tone. And then also too, right there, to open the bag up like that, if you guys can see right there, it's got the Bolzano logo as well. So I really like that. Now on the back too, because I don't want to neglect the back of the bag, there's just more storage, which is nice. I mean, I could fit like a whole drugstore in this bag, you guys, and I know most of us are probably all guilty of that. Like, I pretty much have everything in my purse that I would need for like any kind of emergency. So definitely can fit a lot in this bag. But anyways, it's got the back zipper there, so depending on if you want to put your cell phone there or anything else, it's got another storage pocket, which is nice. And then let's open up the inside of the bag and see what it is. Okay, so what's nice, and I probably should honestly take the paper out, you guys. What's nice about it is it's got the zipper, if you guys can see, it's got the zipper, but honestly, like, I throw things into my bags, so I wouldn't use the zipper. So I do like that, you know, it's optional. I can just leave the zipper open, but say I was going somewhere and I did want to close my bag and have it secure, I could use the zipper. And but that's like what the inside of the bag looks like. So it looks like we've got a couple pockets and compartments on the inside, if you guys can see. And then obviously, like most traditional bags, it's got a little zipper pocket in there as well. So it's nice because there's definitely a lot of storage going on in this bag. Again, it's super big, which I love, because I think when I took the quiz, I didn't put like a lot of the smaller bags because I gravitate toward the bigger ones to fit all of my stuff. So the only thing I will say about this bag, I mean, I love the bag, don't get me wrong. I probably should have retook the quiz to include more colors. I know I put black. I don't know what other colors. I think I might even put tan, to be honest with you guys. But for like the spring and summer, I probably should have put some other colors. I mean, I put black because black is like my favorite color. You have to have bags in black. So that would be the only thing that maybe I can just retake the quiz and get some kind of like brighter color for the upcoming spring months. And then this, but this honestly would be perfect for year round, but for me in particular, this would be a great fall bag, especially with like the tan and the black. I just think it would look really stunning. So that's it for the bag. I mean, this subscription, you guys, again, like, I just started receiving it, but it's definitely unique, and I like the whole customization, personalization feature to it. Not everybody's getting the same bag or the same color or even the same jewelry, for that matter. I forgot to mention I took a jewelry quiz as well, and it's $33.95, which is super affordable. Honestly, I think that this would be a great gift for somebody, or for Mother's Day or whatever. And I don't think I mentioned this before, you can cancel at any time. I did see that on the website as well, so that's great as well. Again, if you guys are interested in signing up, I will have a link down below, as well as that code to get you that $45 free gift. Let me know, do you guys get any handbag subscriptions? Do you get Bolzano? Do you get other handbag subscriptions? I don't know what other handbag subscriptions that are like this are out there, but let me know in the comments down below. I'd be interested and curious to find out. And also, if you do get Bolzano, what did you get this month? What colors did you get? What style did you get? What jewelry did you get, etc.? I'd be interested to find out, so let me know in the comments down below. But anyways, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.